Hi, we're the team visualizers and we're here to present the progress report of our project. The problem that we're trying to solve is to bridge the gap between the user and the big data. So given a user query, we want to propose suitable and effective visualizations techniques that would represent the big data and allow the user to not only control it but to interact with it. Our approach is something like this. We actually don't want to focus on the selection and the querying part of the data as our topic is data visualization. So at this stage, we assume that the data we get has already been queried and selected, and we get the final result set only. We have designed our system into 4 independent and loosely coupled modules. And for the sake of implementation, we have decided on using some modern technologies. But the modularity ensures that flexibility in these choices. Our first module is data access, where we would extract the metadata from the data access layer. And for this, we'll actually use MySQL and CSV files. The second module is user interface, where user will select the fields that will be passed to the visual query layer. And we would be using J2EE based technologies. The third layer is business logic, which actually includes visual querying, visual selection rules, and rule admin. Visual querying would use the rules to select or generate the recommended visualizations for the selected data. The user can then choose a visualization and pass it to the rendering module. A very important part in this module is rule admin. At the time of deployment, this admin would define the characteristics of the data. And based on this information, the visualization selection mechanism would actually work. The final layer is called rendering, where preprocessing and rendering of the data is done to be visualized to the client. Preliminary results. We have a screenshot which shows us how 10,000 data points have been visualized, and then we have another screenshot which shows how 40,000 data points is visualized. As the data points increases, it becomes unclear and we cannot understand the whole concept of the visualization. We have practically tested this limit, and rendering on big data on a browser is not actually feasible. D3 was chosen because it is flexible to choose a number of visualizations with the same data. Basic visualizations like bar chart, pie chart, line graphs, and scatter plots have been included, but we will now show some prototypes of different visualizations on the given sample of Yahoo dataset. The first one is a map, which actually shows the geographic dimensions with superimposed bar graph. And over here, we have tried to show how many people there are below the age of 30 and above the age of 30. And I can actually select a particular region and see what are the attributes. The second visualization that we have is parallel coordinates, where high dimensional data is simultaneously and interactively, and you can actually choose ranges to analyze dependency. So if I choose a range of region ID, I can actually then select the size ID and the age, and let's say user agent, and I can actually see how these four points are actually interdependent. The third visualization we'd like to show is radar chart, where we want to show the percentage of activity on a specific day of the week. Categorical days of the week are the dimensions, and they are related to the number of clicks, impressions, and conversions. And I can actually select on each of these to figure out how they're actually dependent. Finally, talking about milestones. In terms of collecting, analyzing, and formulating visualizations, we have tried to refine the analysis of the visualization techniques. To create hybrid visualizations, we are figuring out the properties to decide which two visualizations to combine to give out the best of the data. Enabling visual querying, we are still working on generating visualizations based on rule mapping. And finally, on support interaction, basic prototypes have been created, and we are trying to implement better interaction and control support.